मैं CS पटेल बृहन मुंबई महानगर पालिका शिक्षण विभाग वर्चुअल क्लास में आप सबका हार्दिक स्वागत करता हूं। बच्चों, वैश्विक महामारी के चलते इस वर्ष का अध्ययन अध्यापन का कार्यक्रम प्रभावित हो रहा है। ऐसे में हमारी बृहन मुंबई महानगर पालिका ने प्रत्येक विद्यार्थी तक ऑनलाइन टीचिंग पहुंचाने का प्रयास शुरू कर दिया है।
Standard second, subject English. Yes, students, you are seeing my English book 2, Standard 2. Lesson 2.5, Word Basket. Yes, lesson 2.5, Word Basket. Okay, students, so we will practice this lesson today, Word Basket. So myself CS Patel from Virtual Training Center MCGM, Mumbai. Okay, students, now see further. Word basket. Look, listen and repeat. Look, listen and repeat. Okay, so look, listen and repeat. Now say hen. Okay, look, listen and repeat. Okay, with the help of pointer, now see. Yes, now say look. Yes, look, listen and repeat. Yes, now repeat it. Hen. Hen. Okay, look at the picture. Yes, and repeat the word. Men. 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 Yes, look at the picture and yes, repeat the word. Den. 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 Yes, look at the picture and repeat the word. Ten. 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 Okay, students, now once again, yes, look at the picture and repeat the word hen. Okay, now say hen. Hen. Men. Men. Den. Den. Ten. Ten. Okay, now say hen. Men. Den. Ten. Hen. Men. Den. Ten. Okay, students, okay, now keep in your mind hen, men, den, ten. Okay, so yes, students, you are seeing rhyming words. Okay, okay, now see further. Yes, look at the picture and yes, repeat the word pen. Okay, now say pen. 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 Okay, so hen, men, den, ten, pen. Okay, hen, men, den, ten, pen. Okay, so keep in your mind. Okay, students, now see further. Yes, word basket. Look, listen and repeat. Yes. Now, yes, say look, listen and repeat. Hen. 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 Yes, men. 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 Yes, den. 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 Yes, you are seeing this is called den. Yes, mad. Gufa. In our mother tongue we say mad. Gufa. Okay, so keep in your mind. Right. Yes, now say repeat it. Ten. Ten. Yes, pen. Pen. Say ten. 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 Pen. 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 Okay, so now say hen, men, den, ten, pen. Okay. Now students, see further. Yes, word basket we are practicing. Look at the pictures and match them with their names. Yes, look at the pictures and match them with their names. So look at the pictures. See first of all this picture and try to match. Yes, what's this you are seeing? Den, ten, hen, pen, men. So yes students, with the help of your pencil you have to match. Yes students, hen just like so. तो इस तरह से बच्चों आपको मैच करना है with the help of your pencil. Right, so do this activity. Right, look at the pictures and match them with their names. Hen, now say hen and match. Okay, so do the activity. Okay students, now yes, look at the picture. See this picture, this one, see this picture, and yes, you have to match. So see den, ten, pen are men. Okay, so match this image with this in these words. Yes, so in this correct word, proper word. Yes, so yes, you are seeing. So I think you are ready. So do this activity. Yes, men. Right, so man is correct. Right, so just like so, with the help of your pencil, match. Yes, do this activity. See the next image, see the next picture. Yes, you are seeing. Yes, so what's this? Yes, den, ten, pen. Yes, are you ready? I think you are ready. So yes, match this. Yes, den. Okay, so den is correct word. Right, very good, very good. Now next. Yes students, you are seeing. Next, see this image. Yes, so either ten or pen. Okay, so what's your answer? I think very easy. So you are ready. So yes, match. Yes, 10. So this is your right answer. Yes, 10. Okay, so yes, and at last students, you are seeing it's only one remaining, and I think you are ready now. So match. Yes, so only pen is remaining and your this image pen, and yes, so match this pen. Okay, okay, so students, now you have completed this activity. Okay, now see further. Read aloud and match the same word. Match the same word. Okay students, just like see here, an example is here. See, yes, pet. See pet. This outside, see this mango, and students, you are seeing pet word is here, and in basket you are seeing pet is here. Right, pet is here. Right, so this word pet. So match the same word. Match the same word. Right, same word. Match the same word. See, P-E-T, pet, pet word here, and P-E-T, pet word here, same word. So yes, this activity you have to perform. Yes, so read aloud and match the same words. Okay, so are you ready? Okay, so be ready. Yes, so take pencil in your hand and perform, do this activity. Okay students, so be ready. Yes, so starting from here, you can start from anywhere. Right, so I am starting here. So yes, see net, net. Yes, net, net. So read aloud and match the same word. So read just like so. Now say net, net. Okay, see the next, den, den. Yes, see the next word, leg, leg. See the next word, leg. Leg. Yes. See the next one, wet. Now say wet. Okay. See the next word, web. 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 See the next word, 10. 10. See the next word, jet. Jet. See the next word, get. Get. See the next word, men. Yes, men. Okay, see the next word, read aloud and match the same word, bed. Yes, now say bed. Bed. And see the last word, it's red. And where is the red? Red is here, red. Yes, red and red. Okay students, sir. So yes, you have to perform this activity just like so. Read aloud and match the same words. Okay students, sir. Very good, very nice. Now students, sir, see further. Okay, look, listen, repeat and read. Okay. Now say a hen. A hen. A hen. Okay. Now say a hen. Yes students, sir, you are seeing a hen. Now say yes, a hen. Repeat it. बोलिए a hen. Okay. Now say a pet hen. A pet hen. Yes, this one, a pet hen. Now say a pet hen. Okay. Now say further. Okay. A pet hen in a net. Okay. Now say a pet hen in a net. Okay. See, a pet hen in a net. Yes, you are seeing this one, net. Okay, net. And students, you are seeing pet. Pet. Pet, students, you know pet? Yes. Do you know pet? In our mother tongue, we say pet. Pet matlab paltu. Yes. So pet hen. Okay. So keep in your mind, a pet hen in a net. A pet hen. Okay. Repeat it. Read it. A pet hen in a net. Okay. Now see further. Yes. Look, listen, repeat and read. Yes. A pen. Okay. Now look. Yes. Look here. A pen. A pen. A pen. Yes, a pen. Okay. A red pen. Okay, say a red pen. A red pen. See, a pen, a red pen. A red pen. Okay. Now see further. Okay. Now see further. Yes, a red pen on a bed. Okay, listen and repeat. A red pen. A red pen. See, a red pen. Okay, on a bed. On a bed. Okay, on a bed. So students, you are seeing this one, bed, right? and students, you are seeing bed. A red pen on a bed. On a bed. Okay, repeat it. Listen, repeat and read it. Read it. A red pen. Okay बच्चों, yes पढ़िए. A red pen on a bed. Okay, read it. Again read it. A red pen. Okay, very good, very good. A red pen on a bed. Okay, read as a whole. A red pen on a bed. A red pen on a bed. Very good, very nice. Now students, see further. Yes, look, listen, repeat and read. Okay, yes, look at the picture. Right, now say 10 men. 10 men. Okay students, so see the image, count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 men. Okay, now read, repeat. 10 men. 10 men. Okay, now read it. 10 men sat on a mat. See, mat. Okay, sat on a mat. Okay, now read it. 10 men. Read it. 10 men sat on a mat. Okay, 10 men sat on a mat. Sat on a mat. See students? Yes. So 10 men are sitting on a mat. Yes. So see here. 10 men sat on a mat. Okay. Read it once again. 10 men sat on a mat. Okay. Practice it again and again. Right. Okay students, find the odd man and encircle it. Okay, so students, find odd man and encircle it. See, mat. See, mat, sat, pat, pet. So students, yes, you are seeing man, mat, sat, pat and pet. So see the listen pronunciation, listen the word, listen the sound clearly. Yes, mat, mat, sat, sat, pat, pat, pet, pet. So yes, you are seeing odd. तो इस तरह से बच्चों odd man, which one is different, which one is different, ये in this group. Yes, in this group of words. तो बच्चों यहाँ पे आपको odd man यानी different लेना है. So what is your answer? It's very clear. It's your answer. Encircle it. Right. So find the odd man and encircle it. Right. So this is your answer. तो बच्चों इस तरह से जो odd man है, जो different है, वही आपका आंसर है. Okay. So keep in your mind. Now students, see further. Yes, find the odd man and encircle it. See here, listen carefully. Yes, men, 10, can, den. Listen, men, 10, can, den. Yes, listen once again. Men, 10, can, den. Yes, it's very clear. Men, 10, can, den. So what's different? What's different? Yes, I think you are ready. So what's your answer? Yes, so can is your answer. Yes, so that's a odd man. Okay, so keep in your mind. See the next one. Yes, find the odd man and encircle it. Right? So listen carefully. Bad, pad, red, had. Yes, bad, pad, red, had. Yes, you are seeing bad, pad, had and Yes, I think you are ready. So just tell your answer. Are you ready? Yes, red. This is difference. Yes. So this is your answer. Yes, this is odd man. Okay. So encircle it. With the help of your pencil, बच्चों पेंसिल से इसे yes encircle यानी गोला बनाते जाइए. Okay, students. Yes, find the odd man and encircle it. See, bag, men, 10, den. See, bag, men, 10, den. Okay, I think you are ready. So yes, what's your answer? What's your answer? Yes, tell your answer. I think you are right. Yes, very good, very good. Bag is your answer. That's odd man. Okay. Okay, students. So last one, find the odd man and encircle it. So yes, see, pet, net, fat, set. See, pet, net, fat, set. Yes, I think you are ready. Yes, have you gotten? Yes. So encircle it. गोला बनाइए. Yes, I think you are ready. Just tell your answer. Yes, I think you are ready. So fat is your answer. That's different, and that's odd man. Okay, students. So students, practice again and again. So students, yes, we have practiced word basket. Word basket. So students, keep in your mind, work hard. बृहन मुंबई महानगर पालिका के इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिए. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, बी केयरफुल अबाउट योर हेल्थ. ओके स्टूडेंट्स.
बच्चों, बृहन मुंबई महानगर पालिका के इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए और बेल आइकन प्रेस कर लीजिए. तो बच्चों, हम उम्मीद करते हैं यहाँ तक आपने समझ लिया है. आगे फिर मिलेंगे. आज के लिए इतना ही. थैंक यू वेरी मच.